अच्छा, तो हमारे पास एक ईथरनेट प्रोटोकॉल है जिसको अभी हमने देखा, that was playing its role in the data link layer. तो ईथरनेट प्रोटोकॉल is actually a dominant protocol that is actually responsible to transmit data in the form of frames that we have just seen. And the frame contains the source address along with the destination address in the form of MAC address. With the reference of a MAC address, it has got the connectivity between the sender and the receiver. So what actually happens, it has got this type of network. Suppose मैं एक network बना देती हूँ और वो network एक single wire से connected है. असद, are you here? I think मैंने तुम्हें पढ़ाया है CSMACD.
नहीं मैम, नहीं पढ़ाया आपने.
नहीं पढ़ाया. अच्छा, बेसिकली क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे दिस इज द मेन बैकबोन और यहाँ पे बेसिकली हमें ये डिटेक्ट करना है कि कहीं डेटा कोलाइड तो नहीं हो जाएगा व्हाइल बीइंग ट्रांसमिटेड. सपोज दिस इज कंप्यूटर ए, बी, सी एंड डी. कंप्यूटर ए wants to send data to computer number D. At the same time, B wants to send data to either D or B, any one of them. The thing is, two different computers or nodes wants to transmit data from the same cable. This is the main cable. अब suppose यहां से data start हुआ है transmit होना. This is the data packet. और ये यहाँ पे transmit होता रहेगा. It keeps on asking, is this the computer where computer A wants to send data? It would say no. Then it would further pass through. And on the way, it reaches to computer number D. And then it would ask, are you the one where I need to send data? Do you have the same MAC address? It would say no. Or maybe yes, depending upon the MAC address. Meanwhile, when it was here, computer B wants to send data to the same computer. Now, it has sent its data packet that is also the part of the same cable. While searching the required node by this yellow data packet, pink data packet has also been in there and they both have got collision. ये और ये would be collided with each other. And when collision occurs, there is a risk of data loss, data packet loss. To prevent this collision, we have to add CSMACD, yani carrier sense multiple access. What it actually does, there is a carrier that keeps on moving on this bus. This carrier would keep on moving on this cable to just check, is there any computer who wants to communicate with the other node? It continuously moves on this cable, but it has not received any message. After some time, computer A has sent a message to this carrier, I want to send data. It would accept request of computer A, and at the same time, if computer B wants to send data, it would stop this computer not to send any data, and it let computer A to transmit data to the required node. Until it reaches to the required node, computer B would be on hold by this carrier, and this carrier would let computer B transmit data when this computer A and D transmission completed. Are you clear about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion so far?
No.
So this
No, ma'am.
is the way to prevent collision between multiple nodes that actually wants to transmit data over the LAN. And that's basically a local area network responsible, that is controlled by the Ethernet. और Ethernet किस फॉर्म में डेटा को रखता है? In the form of
Frames.
frames. Is it clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे हम अपनी क्लास एंड करते हैं, एंड